We are getting the Google Nest, plus we're getting 1 point as well. I'll get some schmutz on the package too. So, reason why I'm getting this, mostly it's because, I've got a home here with a bunch of people in it, 4 kids, wife. Dog doesn't use much Wi-Fi, but everybody's got their devices, and I need better controls for the devices. I need to be able to schedule devices, pause internet, and improve the Wi-Fi in the upstairs. So I've got the Google Nest, which I think is this one, and 1 point, which will give me enhanced coverage on the second floor. So there really shouldn't be much to this. So I'll do the unboxing and I'll do the installation, but really the installation is just working through the app. But the most important thing I think is going to be like a 1 month review once we've had it set up for a while. It's mid-August, kids are going back to school soon, so we want to have these things in place by the time they go back to school. So we'll check it out. Thanks for joining me.
Welcome to Frank's DIY and Homeowner Help.
Oh, son of a... I gotta say, just even on the packaging, ever since Apple started making their products, the packaging for this kind of stuff has gone to an all-new level, and it's usually pretty neat. Now, I don't expect there's much to this. I expect there just to be basically the 2 units, a couple of power cords, and that's about it. So let's see what we got here. See how we go over this. Looks like it wants to go this way. Oh, the suspense is killing me. I'm not doing this on purpose. That's just how it wants to come out. Oh, wow. Oh, they're bigger than I thought. That's what she said. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, yeah, so this one is the Nest, because you see it's got some ports there. And this one is the Point. So this is the one that just remotely goes to a different part of your house. Look in here, what we got. Okay, so a little instruction kit here. Not going to be much to that, because basically you set it all up via the app, and these, goodness, look at this. So you can see how much space that's going to take up on your power bar, right? It's going to take up more than 1 plug space on your power bar, because a plug is normally going to be this wide. Not that wide. You get 2 of these on here. Ridiculous. Oh well. I guess they make things to look fashionable, if you will. And I do like that part of it. It's kind of a matte finish here, which will basically blend into anywhere. It's going to do nice things with ambient light. So I don't mind that part, but this, come on, give me a break. Gotta find more power bar space. Alright, so I'm going to plug these things in and see what happens. So the initial connection is really just this simple. It's, power cord to the unit, and then LAN cable from the unit to your router. And that is how easy it is. They supply you the Ethernet cable, so let's go plug it in. Okay, so here's where we plug it in to the unit, and you just plug it in anywhere in the back of your router / modem, whatever you got. And that's it. And then you connect, log on to that Google Home app, and set up as a breeze. Okay, so it should be as easy as opening the Google Home app, and I'm expecting that it will find it. It'll find the device, or you can Yeah, so there's set up one device. So let's try that. Okay. Honey, I'm recording, so could you be quiet, please? It's okay, I knew you didn't know. Okay, so there it's already found it. So choose the devices you'd like to set up. Let's try this one. Okay, so I downloaded the current version of the Google Home app. That's always a smart thing to do, I think. And it found two devices, so let's set those up. Okay, so we've got our Nest Wi-Fi point and routers, so let's set them all up. So you got to set them up one at a time. Okay, so you scan this QR code right here and just finish the setup. Okay, so we've had it set up for a month now, and overall I'm pretty happy with it. On the plus side, setup, installation, all pretty easy, all easily a 5 out of 5. I'd say of everything, the only thing that I can criticize about this unit is that it does not auto detect new devices. It does. It detects a device that connects, but it doesn't ask you if you want to set it up. And because of that, it takes a little while to do something like, set up an iPhone, right? So there's 6 iPhones in this house, so I had to set them all up by process of elimination, right? And that's a bit of a drag. iPads, there's 3 or 4 iPads, so you got to set them up by turning them all off, turning one on, having it come on the system, and then name it. When really other systems will allow you to, as a device connects, you have the ability to name it right then and give its permissions and all that stuff right off the bat. So this one doesn't, so that's the only downside, but overall it's pretty good. Part of the reason why I got this Google Nest as well is because I wanted to get a camera and security system that would tie into this, and that should work out really well. So overall, thumbs up for this product. Hope this helped.